What is up guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video I'm going to tell you the things which you should definitely know before buying the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i. Or if you have already bought that laptop, no problem, this video is still for you. So the number one thing I wanted to talk about is how fast the battery charges. So the battery here is a very good quality and it gives us 6 hours of battery backup. And the charging is 65 watt fast charging. So one tip I would like to give you, that is, don't ever use your laptop while charging, because that will damage your battery, and after 2 years or so your laptop will get very bad battery life. So if you want your laptop and you want to use it for a very long time, you should definitely not do that thing. Don't use your laptop while charging. Just wait an hour and it will charge up to 60%, then use it like for 2-3 hours and then again you can charge it or plug in. And one more thing I wanted to talk about, that is, how about plugging it at night and leave it overnight? So what will happen is, if you will plug your laptop at night and you just sleep, and after 12 hours will it just burn or not? I will talk about that, because this laptop is very advanced and the charger provided is also very advanced. What will happen is, if your laptop is 100% charged during night, it will automatically stop the charging. So your laptop's battery will not overcharge or burn, or any problem like that will appear. So that is a really good thing. This laptop is very advanced. So yes, it is not a advice to leave your laptop charging overnight, but if you in case just want to do it, you can do it, no problem. It won't break. And also it is covered into the 1-year warranty. Any breaks happen, you can go to the Lenovo center and do the 1-year warranty and it will be fine. Now one more thing I want to talk about is, how about the trackpad? Because I haven't talked about the trackpad. I have talked about the keyboard many times, but how about the real trackpad, like how good it is in using? So the trackpad is not made up of glass. First of all, this is made up of plastic, but it is a very good quality. It has 2 sides clickable buttons also, and the buttons don't have any distinguished lines there. It is just simple trackpad. If you tap it, you will feel that yes, the buttons are there. But there's one thing I don't like, that is, it doesn't have any haptic feedback. Like in MacBooks, when you have a haptic feedback whenever you press. Alright, I know you guys might be saying like, why are you comparing it with the MacBook anyways? And I know that's not a fair comparison, but still this laptop is costly, so I just thought of comparing only the trackpad, nothing else. Now let's move on towards the real uses. The trackpad is very good, but I personally advise you to use the mouse, external mouse, any mouse you can buy from the market. It comes as cheap as 250 rupees, or you can buy a 1000 rupees mouse, as any mouse you want. I personally would recommend you to use the Logitech mouse, which I'm using, and the one I'm showing you in the video is not Logitech. It's very cheap mouse, it's like 250 rupees, and that also does the job. Why I'm recommending you to use a mouse is because mouse is very precise. So if you want to select something, you want to do drawing, or you want to you are working with a software which uses mouse, then I would prefer to use a real mouse, not the trackpad, because the real mouse is always a lot precise than the trackpad. Obviously, if you can get used to the trackpad, you can use it, but I'm not a person who is just I'm not a person who gets used to trackpad anyways. I've used the MacBook Air also and I still don't like the trackpad. I don't know why. I just love a physical mouse. That's just me, I don't know. Now one more accessory I would like to buy for this laptop, and I also want to suggest you guys to buy, that is the laptop stand. Now I have already done the review of that. You can see here in the card, or I will give you the link in the description. The laptop stand is very must accessory. This will enhance your experience a lot. Like when you watch videos or play games for like 3 hours continuously, your laptop will obviously get heated up. Now the stand will help in just dissipating the heat. So the stand I'm showing you in this video is very good quality. It is made up of plastic, but it is very good quality. It won't break easily, and it is a must accessory to have if you are having this laptop. I just recommend you 100% to use this stand, so that your laptop doesn't get heated up so quickly, and you will still enjoy a very good quality of experience with your laptop, and you can use it for many hours and without any problem. Now One more thing I would like to talk about is the cameras. I've already talked about those cameras. They are excellent, I told you many times. But there's one more thing I found new in the camera, that is Lenovo gave an update in the camera where the image quality did improve. Now many people were saying in the comments like the camera is very bad, it's ugly. But bro, just listen. This is not a smartphone camera, alright? It's a webcam. And in webcams, you're never gonna get that good quality which you're expecting from a selfie camera or anything close to that. I have used webcams in the past. I know how terrible the quality comes. And this laptop's webcam is excellent if you compare it to those desktop webcams which were coming. Nowadays also, if you buy any webcam for a desktop and you get it for like 2000 rupees even, the quality will be very bad. I mean terrible. You can't even get 720p in those things. This is like just 480p. And this laptop is giving you a 720p webcam. That too, it's included in the laptop. You don't need to buy anything, just the laptop. And it also has a shutter button for privacy. If in case you don't like the webcam looking at you every time, just close the shutter and that's it. So I'm very very happy with the webcam. There's no problem, absolutely no problem. It's just great. So you should never compare it with a very good quality webcam that costs like 10,000 rupees. I'm pointing towards Logitech, yes. But yeah, obviously you're not going to do live streams with this laptop, and if you are in case going to do live stream, one software I'm going to recommend you which will help you a lot, and that is OBS Live Stream. Now I have used that software in the past. I have done live streams in the past, and the problem was nobody was there. No problem. Now yeah, if you want to live stream, you can do it. Laptop is very powerful. Now one thing I want to talk about is the new processor. Alright, this laptop is having i5 11th gen processor. Now many of people are buying the laptop which is not having i5 11th gen. They are buying with GTX 1650 as well as i5 9th gen. Now don't get me wrong, GTX 1650 if you are having in a laptop, it's really powerful. It's very powerful. You just can't compare it with the MX 450. But there is a very big but, that is processor comes handy when you're doing tasks such as web browsing, such as watching movies, and also such as doing video calls and opening apps faster. So that's where the 11th gen actually shines. It is 2 generations ahead of the 9th gen processor of i5, and it is very very powerful. I mean my desktop is having i5 9th gen and this laptop is having i5 11th gen, and when I did the process CPU benchmark in that, the processor was having better scores than my desktop processor. So you can just get an idea of like the desktop processor is always powerful than a laptop, but still this laptop's 11th gen is powerful than my desktop. So you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. I'm talking about if you're someone who just don't play a lot of games. I already did the gaming test also, and in that video you will get to know that it can game at like 1080p in low settings. You will get 50-60 fps without any problem. Now processor helps in rendering, and that is a really important thing. Rendering is very very important if you want to render high quality stuff, and that's when I personally would pick this laptop over the 1650 GTX Legion laptop. Because yeah, everybody just doesn't game a lot. People like to use it for normal day-to-day tasks like business tasks, like you're managing something, you're learning a new software like Primavera, Revit, you're doing something new and you're doing something that is processor intensive. That's when the processor comes into play. So I'm very happy to have this laptop which has an extremely excellent processor. Now that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you like it. If you do, subscribing to my channel will be the ultimate best gift you will ever give me. Please follow me on Instagram so that you can talk to me about anything. You can talk to me personally on Instagram, and believe me, I reply to everyone who talks to me on Instagram. Like I reply to everyone. Almost if you ask me any question, I will instantly reply you, and that's just me because I love you guys. I love to talk to you guys. So yes, please follow me on Instagram also, and please subscribe. I just want to get more subscribers, and I'm also trying to improve my quality. I'm trying to make good quality of content as fast and as quick as possible. That's pretty much it. Hope you like it. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.